Okay, today we're going to give you a brief overview of planter hydraulic flow and timer adjustments. We're working on a 1255 Case IH planter, and we're in a Magnum tractor with a Pro 700 display equipped with large tractor software. Step number one, you need to check your tractor on some of the older models. Number one remote was a priority remote, so you need to run your circuits on any remote besides number one on the older models. This prevents one circuit from consuming the majority of the oil flow. And also you need to ensure that all your hydraulic components are running primed at rated engine speed and to operating temperature before performing the flow adjustments. The flow adjustment for the lift circuit needs to be sufficient enough to lift and lower the planter on a headland sequence in a timely manner. For any other hydraulic circuit running off of the tractor, like vac fan or bulk fill, the hydraulic flow needs to be sufficient only to run the specified vac rate or bulk fill rate and no more. Overfeeding a hydraulic circuit only overheats oil, wastes fuel, and overdrives the control valve, causing the fan RPMs to fluctuate. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to turn on our bulk fill fan right here, and as you can see, our RPMs are coming up. We've got it on remote number 2, and the flow is maxed out. So we're going to wait a second. This fan is going to find itself. We're asking for 3,500 RPMs. So there she calms down, and now we're going to actually drop our remote flow down until that fan RPM just drops off. There she goes. Now we're going to bump it back up till we can maintain our 3,500 RPM. Maybe just go a touch more and hit OK. As far as timers go, we want to make sure that the hydraulic motor circuits are set to continuous. On this tractor, to do that, we just bump up our timer until we get to 60 seconds, and then one tap more, we get this infinite sign. So we want to make sure that all the hydraulic motor circuits are set to infinite or continuous. On the lift circuit, you may or may not want to run a timer. I've got 12 seconds entered here, which gives me just enough time to lift the planter on the headland sequence and just high enough to fold the markers in. The reason I don't have a timer set on the planter lower sequence is because we want to make sure that our remote is held forward until the planter is fully lowered into the ground and the markers are fully lowered. Then we pop this remote number 1 into float. This allows the markers and wings to flex over rough terrain.